Go. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another QT Ambassador session. How are you all?
We are fine, sir. How are you, sir?
We are good, sir. How about you?
I'm doing
All
good.
good,
I'm
sir.
doing great. Good. So, how was your weekdays? Was it good?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, summer camp has started, right? I mean, the summer vacation has started, right? But
Yes.
what is the difference? You guys are staying at home for over 1 year, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We do feel bored. When we had school, we used to tell that we need break. When we take the break, we tell that we need school.
Okay. Cool. It will be a little bit odd because my face is the monitor is over here, but my camera is over there, so I'll be talking like this. So don't feel odd, okay, when I'm just talking
That's
like this.
fine, sir.
Okay, cool. So
Okay, sir.
cool. So as I was telling, today we have our coach master as Lenora. Hello, Lenora.
Hello, Lester. How are you?
Hi, Lenora.
And
Hello.
okay, there is some people who saying hi and everything. Hello. Okay, good. So Lenora, are you ready for today's session?
Yes, sir.
I think everyone are really excited to know what you're gonna teach, but they know the name. But how are you going to teach? What is the new thing which you're gonna do? That is what we're gonna see. Is it, Lenora?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, Lenora here is going to teach us how to make a simple calculator in AppLab. Okay. In previous class, Ayur have taught us the Mind Hunter. Is that Ayur? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yes, it was a wonderful session by Ayur. The previous session was really wonderful. Now it's Lenora's turn. So Lenora,
Yes, sir.
the platform is yours. You can take it over. Okay, I'm going to go. I'm going to turn off the webcam because this is going to be completely your session. So take it over. If there is any help, please let me know.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir, for this wonderful opportunity.
Okay, good. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Hey, guys. How are you all doing?
We are fine.
Fine.
Fine, Lenora.
Did you guys had your breakfast?
Yes. How about you?
So I hope this session would be more interactive as well as active, right?
Yes.
So yeah, I have a couple of questions along with me. I will just choose some people or one person to answer my question. Okay?
Okay, fine. Sure.
Yeah. So I would like Ayur Prabhu to tell me what project am I going to do today?
I think you're going to make a calculator project in which which works like a normal calculator. Like we can add numbers, subtract numbers, and even multiply.
Wow, impressive. I want Charita to tell me, do you think that the calculator which I'm going to do would be different or similar to the same thing which we have the app in our phone?
I think you're gonna do it a bit different because like adding a thing that is already done and everyone knows the code and it won't be such a surprising if you do that. I think you think beyond the limits and do something more than the app in our phone.
Okay, so for this question, I want Saurabi to answer that. I'm going to use only 2 tabs in this project. Any guesses on which tab?
Code and design tab.
That's good. Okay, yeah. I'm going to use code and design tab. Stuti, to tell me in code tab, which what is that? Which type of, like, you have URL, UI control, maths, like that. So in that, which I'm going to use?
For coding, mostly we use UI controls and math because the calculator is related to math. So I guess you'll be using these two most, and like others, you might even variable is an important role. So I guess these 3 tabs you might use, like the 3 options.
Impressive. Okay, so Vaishnavi, shall I start sharing the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you guys are really excited, right?
Yeah, I am excited as I already told you. Like calculator, very interesting. So
It's very sad to hear only Vaishnavi telling about it.
Nothing like that, Lenora. Actually, I'm also really interested, but I don't want to interrupt between you, so I'm just waiting to start.
That's fine. You guys are feel free to ask your questions and clear it then and there itself. Okay?
Sure.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we are ready.
Okay. So can you guys see my screen?
No.
Yes, Lenora. It has come.
Okay. So just give me a second. Something just went wrong. And make sure that you guys are ready opening the code.org before I could open it.
Sure.
Yeah, we opened it.
Okay, so you guys can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's
Yes, we can
move
see it.
this. So, do you guys see something on the screen here?
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's the project.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I want any one of you to tell my first number.
15.
15? Yeah, that's a great number. Next.
15. Let's see. Will it give it?
You can give 4 digits as well.
So 1981.
Yeah.
1981. Really good. So I'm gonna click on plus. Carefully listen to it.
Sure.
Could you hear that voice?
No.
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 Actually, we told you to. We told you to into it, na? Like multiply.
Yeah, you guys told multiply, but I pressed on plus. And could you hear some voice there about the answer?
No, actually, because the voice is echoing sometimes. So that time it was echoing, so we couldn't hear it.
Okay, so make sure that you guys could hear it clearly and tell me, okay? I'm gonna click it once again. Could you guys hear it?
Lenora, it's not yet.
No, yeah, I heard it.
Okay. So Saurabi.
Once again, please. Just once again. I didn't hear it.
Okay. Now?
I guess everyone should be on mute before you do that, because
Yeah.
sometimes your voice will echo.
I'll give you 5 seconds. You guys just mute yourself, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, unmute and tell. Could you guys hear that?
No. You tell what? What?
Actually, Lenora, I'm not able to.
This will not come because you're on the micro headphone, right? So, I mean, you'll be hearing. So, speaker, it should be told by through the mic only. Then you'll be able to hear.
Okay, so just a minute.
Okay, if you're on the speaker, right? Put it on the speaker. Then keep your mic near to the speaker. Then you'll be able to. They will be able to hear it basically.
Okay, so you can play it.
No, Lenora, we are not able to hear. It's okay, fine. Maybe you can share this app later at the end of the session. Just go ahead with the app, okay? We are not able to hear. Please turn back to the mic. Please put your mic up. We are not able to hear you. No, Lenora, we are not able to hear you. Can you see near to that leave audios option is there, right? Click that and rejoin again. You'll be able to hear the audio. Leave audio. Near to the turning on the mic and turning off the mic, right? Click that and rejoin again. Okay, I think she got into some network issue. Just give her a couple of minutes. She'll be relogging in back. I believe she wants to show something on the audio related stuff. That's why she was taking it a little bit of time.
So I guess like how Ayo did the sound thing like that, even Lenora has done.
Similar to that. Similar to that, but she has.
Yeah, Lenora, we can hear you.
Sorry, sir, to cut. You can continue.
It's okay. Cool. Oh no, it's your session, Lenora. As I was telling. So go ahead and start your building the application. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, but I'm not getting the screen share option.
Okay. Because you relogged in, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Go ahead.
Okay, sorry for the disturbance.
It's all right.
It's all right, Lenora.
So I'll click on subtraction. You get the 1966 as the answer. Division.
Right.
Now we will go on to the into. So I hope you guys like this app.
Yeah, very much. Actually,
Yeah,
this
it's
is not
very
only
nice.
calculator. In this, there are many differences from a calculator. Like in a normal calculator, there'll be numbers placed. In this, we have to type, and there are many changes. Like if you click on subtraction, it'll change the color, the background. So this is
Yeah.
a lot different from a normal.
And even you
Yeah.
said you added some voiceover.
Yeah, actually I
you
just
add
added.
some voices.
When you guys work on it and like use one block, you can hear the voice as well in yours. So let's just get into the code and then start it from first.
Okay, sure.
So you guys can see the screen, right, which has code.
Yes.
So this is all is what we are gonna do. So let's get started. As usual, open Google, click on code.org, and make sure that you're signed in. And go to App Lab.
Okay.
Okay, so have you guys finished till here? Logging it?
Yes, Lenora,
Yes.
I'm back.
Yeah, I'll give you 1 minute. Did you guys complete?
Yes.
Yes,
I do need answers. If I see you guys sitting simply, I think that you guys haven't opened it. Yeah?
Nothing like that. We are with you.
Okay, so the first and the most important thing is go to design tab. So you can see this is a screen. To make it more attractive, yeah, continue. Suti.
Lenora, I I didn't want to interrupt, but I guess you forgot renaming the project.
Yeah, I'll rename it. It is a kind of like
Sure.
different thing.
Okay, sure. I just thought I'll just tell you.
Yeah. So to make this more attractive, we have something called theme here, right?
Yes, Lenora.
Have you guys used this before?
Yes. In iOS project also we did.
Yeah. You guys still remember something. So I choose to forest. Can I know, Stuti, which type of theme did you choose?
Actually, I chose the mint chip theme.
Okay, Vaishnavi,
Forest only.
Ayur Prabhu,
I choose the Area 51.
sorry, I can't hear your voice, Ayur.
I chose Area 51.
Yeah. Cherita and Saurabi.
I chose lavender.
Saurabi.
I chose watermelon.
Wow, these are great themes. So, if you want to just rename the screen one, you have your ID. You can give it as Like you can give something short. I'll give it as cal bean. Okay. Now I'll drag and drop one label which is below the button opposite to the drop down. So I will give its ID as I'll give it as same cal and your text calculator. Did you guys finish till here?
Okay, what label should we
Lenora, just
drag?
a question.
Yeah,
Okay.
Stuti, do continue.
Yeah, so the question, because of some net issue, so I couldn't hear what you chose. So could you please repeat that?
You have to choose label which is below the button.
Thanks. And I request Vaishnavi to continue as she was also telling something.
Yes, Vaishnavi, proceed.
My question also was the same. Like I wanted to know what did you drag?
Yeah, it is label.
No, that in that label, what did you drag? Can I know that? Like
See.
button is there? ABC, that one.
Yeah, see, now you can see something called label. Click and drag it to the screen. You can see something called text. So it will be dragged here.
Okay.
To delete, you can just apply it to the screen. Did you guys finish till here?
Yes, Lenora.
I need other answers, please.
Yes, we did it.
Okay, Vaishnavi completed.
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed. Now, you can't see anything here, and this is really small, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's start from down. Make sure that you align it to the center and the size into something like 40. Or you can also give 50 as well. And drag it to the middle of the
I
page.
think you're in event now, but I'm not able to open that event because it's showing that.
Sorry, Vaishnavi, I would like you to as well see my screen. I mean, I'm still in properties.
Oh, you're down. Oh, sorry. I was just putting there that I was typing, so for that I didn't
Yeah,
see.
I'm just down. Okay, so we are completed with the font size as well as text alignment. If you want to change the font one, you can change. I do use Arial.
Sure.
And text color is most important as you can't see anything like clearly. I'll give it to white and I'll properly align it to the middle. Okay, so we have completed our first step. So I think some people may have forgotten to title this project. So you guys can now title it. It's a kind of different. You can also title it before the session. I give it as calculator and a smile. Okay, you guys have done till here?
Yes. Yes, Lenora.
I want the answer from Ayur, Charita, and Vaishnavi.
Yes, Lenora. Yes.
Yes, I have done it.
Yeah, cool. So you all have completed till here. So any idea of what can I do next? What should I do next?
I think you'll take
This
four.
page.
You take the label and you type your first number, a text input, and type your.
Can I? Okay.
Lenora, can I try again? Can I also try?
Yeah, sure, Stuti.
Like, if I'm right, you might choose a text input for inserting the first number and the second one.
Before that, we do have this one, right?
Yeah, like after her step, then.
So they are missing there something. We have completed till the calculator. We have to add something this, right?
Yeah, like as Charita said, after that,
I want for this. What would you use? Label, button, input, something. What would you choose?
Label, I think.
Yeah, you're right, Charita.
I guess label itself.
Yeah, so we are gonna drag and drop the label here. You can give its ID something called FIRST first. You can give even more shorter. I'll give it as CYPE. Type your first answer. Completed till here?
Not yet, Lenora. I'm just
Yeah, yeah, sure. You can even give some exclamation mark to it to make more attractive.
Yes, Lenora, it's done.
Yeah. Others?
Wait a minute, Lenora.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Lenora.
I hope you guys are also seeing my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen.
So I just
didn't get
stopped
you,
the
Lenora.
person.
Actually, your voice was echoed.
Yeah, so I just told that. Did you guys finish till here?
Yes, I
Yes.
finished it.
Yes, we finished.
Okay, let's proceed. So, of course, we have to change the text color. I'll give it to white. You guys can choose anything from here which are really light. Okay, but it should be visible to the screen. And
Sure.
I'll give this text as 19 and center. I'm gonna just decrease it. This is playing a lot with me. Okay, so done till here.
Yes, Lenora, it's done.
Yes, Lenora.
Okay, we'll drag an
Done, Lenora.
input, text input here, and we're gonna just give an ID something as NO.1. You guys can give something else. It's of your choice. I prefer this so that it could be short, sweet, short and sweet. Again, so when you click on this, you get something option called duplicate here, right?
Yes.
So when you click on it, you will get another one. So just drag and drop the same thing. Instead of just again adding the label, you can just do this. We are gonna name it as SECOND second, and I just remove this first and type as.
So, Lenora, like, how you said to copy this one, like the label, like that we
Yeah.
can even copy the text input. Am I right?
Yeah, we can also do, when you click on that, you will get something called duplicate. So you can also do that.
Yeah, because it'll be easy then, like as you said, it'll
Yeah,
be easy then again doing the same thing.
yeah, you're right. So again, click on this, duplicate, drag here, and give something called no dot group. So have you guys completed till here?
Not yet, Lenora, just
Not
renaming
yet,
and
Lenora, because of net issue. It's taking a little time. So can you wait, please?
Yeah, sure. So let me raise a poll to you guys so that it would be good.
sure.
I've got the answer from Charita and Sauravi. What about others?
After completing, I'll just go like.
Yeah, that's fine.
I did it.
Yeah, just click on yes for the poll.
Actually, I'm not able to view the poll then.
Yeah, so let me just raise it once again. Yeah, so everyone has completed it. Everyone has completed. No one says no. Okay, so let me reshare my screen. Okay, so I'll go on to the next one. Yeah, you can see my screen once again, right?
Yeah, just give me a
Yes, you
second.
can see your screen.
Yes, Lenora.
Yeah. So let's once again click on this. Duplicate to know the answer, right? I'm
I
gonna.
cannot see your code screen.
Yeah.
Actually, she's showing the
showing
demo.
the project, but not the code screen.
I think
Oh,
you
yeah.
have your project.
Okay, just a second. Yeah, now?
Yes,
Yes, now it's visible.
the screen.
Yeah.
Now you
Cool.
change.
Yes,
So now, what? Can I get some idea to just give an ID for this? I'll
can you
type
repeat?
Answer.
You can keep as
Answer.
and
your answer. Yes. Yeah, that's a great idea. Yeah, I'll give it as A and S or answer. I'll give it an answer. Okay, so I'm gonna just drag this here. Make sure this is short and sweet. Yeah. Now go to the text input. And click on duplicate and drag and drop below your answer. You can either use text input or you can just delete it and use label. Label would be a good choice. Okay, and I'll take the text color as white. Sorry.
Lenora, I didn't get you. Like, you just chose one more thing and you were saying like it's better for a text instead of a
yes,
label.
Lenora, it's done.
Yeah,
Like
so I was telling that if you want, you guys can use text input.
Lenora, we
Or-
can't hear.
No, actually you are audible, Lenora. I think there's a problem with Charita.
Charita, can you hear me now?
Yes, Lenora.
Yeah. So what I was telling that you can either choose text input or label. In my last project which I just showed you, I used label. So it would be better if you use label. Or else if you use this text input, you'll get confused. Right? You can use anything, but it's your choice.
Sure.
So you're gonna just delete the text and leave it plain and give it as A and S. Short and sweet. Later, we're gonna just we'll see how much is this. So you have 200 width and 30 height. So you're gonna give the same thing here. 200 width and 30 height. So you can see it's similar to it.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna just give this color. You have something called border color.
Yeah. There is a body color.
So you got something called background color, right?
Yeah. Background and border both are there.
Both are there, but you're gonna use background color. And Charita, I'm really very sorry to just cut you out. Can you repeat the question?
Actually, after your answer is, did you take a label or just because nothing visible in here?
I use the label.
Okay,
See?
actually, nothing is visible. A label is not visible, so I thought you didn't take a
Yeah.
label.
So let me just change the color so that it would be even more clear. I'll take into green and you're gonna just keep it here for a dark color one. and make sure that you increase this so that you can see the color. Okay. You can take the color something similar to this. Sorry?
Lenora, I
Yes?
took input only.
Yeah, but make sure that it would go well. Okay, and make sure that you don't type anything in that placeholder.
Yeah.
So, like, I have taken label as you said. So, text should be empty as the placeholder is empty, right?
Yeah, you need to make the text empty as well as the text color as white. Okay, so make sure that you have your space to add 4 buttons. Sorry. So just drag and drop it, 4 buttons. Make sure that they are equal in line.
Actually, Lenora, can you just wait for a minute?
Yeah, I'll just wait now. So yeah, you guys can complete till here. Later, till then, I would raise a poll.
Lenora, like before, I'm not again able
No,
to call. Like, I just came to the call screen and then it went off.
Oh yeah.
me too.
Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, I've raised it. So yeah, all of them have completed till here, right?
Yes.
Cool. Are you guys even more interested in this project, or are you guys feeling bored?
It's actually interesting because
Interesting.
Because,
They are getting more interested.
see,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
as you said, a big number also can be done. So I'm thinking, I'm wondering how, I'm wondering because I'm not I've not used this a lot. Only few projects I've done. So
Yeah. And you guys can even use this if you saved in your computer. You guys can use this in your maths exam by calculating it, right? That's why I just thought to do this. Okay, so we are going to give this ID something. So first we are going to add plus. So which is add. I'll give it as add. You guys can either give addition, the spelling, or even the symbol. If you guys cannot find the symbol, you can just report me. Okay?
Can you ask Saurabhi to mute herself? It's echoing.
Yeah, sure. If it's echoing, make sure that you guys are in mute. And if you have question, you can unmute and say excuse me and start the question. Okay, guys, done till here?
yes,
Yes.
Okay, 2 people.
Yes, Lenora.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Lenora.
Mhm.
Yes, Lenora.
So I need to get yes name from 2 people.
Yes.
I got from Shruti, Vaishnavi, and Saurabhi. I need it from Charita and Ayu.
Yes, I completed. I said loud and back.
completed.
Okay, so if you want to just make it a bit bigger, you can get something called font size. So I'll keep it into 19. So it's much bigger here.
Yeah.
Later, shift to the second button and give the name as sub or subtraction. Anything is good. So this button into minus.
Yeah. Then you can
And
keep it as next third button can be into and then last button division.
yeah. So I'll just complete till here. If you guys can do it till there. Yeah. As
Yeah,
Vaishnavi told.
I'm done.
sure.
I could give something like If you guys are done, I want to hear the voice. Done.
Done.
Okay.
Done.
Oh. You guys are even more faster than me.
Done.
Slash. Okay. So just give me a sec. Okay, so later let's go on to the code. Now we have completed till here, right?
Yes.
So let's jump into the code.
Lenora, can you
Yeah.
wait? I have some internet issues.
Yeah, sure. Let me just raise my poll.
So, who is this D sir? Always he'd be there.
It's actually Sir's colleague, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah. You can see one people telling no. I want Saurabhi's answer too. Okay, so I can see only Stuti telling no.
Yeah, because I'm like doing the button thing. So
Yeah. Continue. That's fine.
Lenora,
Yeah.
can I know where we can find the division symbol?
So yeah, you have something called Shift Z X C V B N M. It's like that, right?
Yes, Lenora.
At last, you can see something end, later shift, and a question mark and a slash.
Yeah.
Press on shift and the slash, you will shift and that next button, you will get the something slash. So that is division.
Okay. I thought the normal division we put on the line and two dots.
Yeah, actually, I just tried it, but I couldn't do so. So I thought to just give it like this.
Lenora, I just request you to poll again because I just want to just
Sorry, you want to see my screen?
no like I just wanted that. Can you please poll?
No, have you completed it?
Yeah.
Then okay, then we'll continue. No need of something extra polls.
Okay.
Okay, let's return to our screen. So we need to see a code, right? I'll just show you how just the actually code looks like. So now I want you guys to tell that which is the first main block which is important in each and every block.
On event. When on event click function. That
Yeah,
is the main block we need to use when we are starting.
yeah, good.
And event variables war.
Let's see. So what I'm gonna give here on event. Answers, please.
I think you're going to give add.
Add.
Yeah, good, Saurabhi and Charita. Gonna give add. So next block which you're gonna like add is, so we're not gonna use variables here. We're gonna use only math block and then UI control block. So you need set text and something called plus, right? So go to your back of your page. You will get something called set text. Add here. Give your ID as, what should I give? Any guesses?
Your answer is ID.
So you guys just saw my screen, right? Can you guys tell me what is the ID? This is to just check did you
I
guys
thought-
focus.
I thought you kept ANS answer.
ANS. You're right, Sarita. It's ANS. So you're gonna just delete this text and go to your math block. You can see something called plus because we have given your name as add. So you're gonna drag and drop the plus here. Done till here?
We need to keep the ID of the text, the label with no text thing below your answer.
Yeah. This one. Your answer is you have something called here, right? I mean here. So you're gonna just give that ID. When you keep the what's that pointer on it, you can see your ID. Okay, guys, done till here?
Lenora, can you wait?
Yeah, sure.
Because I am facing some internet issues, that's why.
Which math blocks did we take, Lenora?
Plus sign.
Lenora,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt, but like the thing that in the set text answer, so you put plus block, right?
Yeah.
So I guess you are like in the math block itself, you are taking a random number from a thing, right?
No. Your guess was wrong. We're gonna go return to UI control and you can see something called sorry guys. I'm just getting the news. Something called get number. So you're gonna use that and add this what is it? ID. So it's number 1. Drag number 1 and you guys can just copy this or even drag it here once again with your ID as the second one. This. Okay, so complete it till here.
Lenora, actually, I just got a doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in the first get number, so you put number 1. I didn't get because I didn't put something like that. I put another thing. Could you please tell what did you put? Like exactly.
So you have something called here the type your first number. Second, you have text input. So this ID and this ID you have to do. This plus this, you will get the answer of here.
Okay, thanks.
If you guys have completed, copy this block. Just copy this complete block. Control plus C and Control plus V. You want it 4 times in total. Means 3.
I guess that won't happen.
No, it would happen. You do one thing. You have that something pointing here, right?
Okay,
Pointer.
I understood.
Click here and just drag a square. You can see everything blue.
I understood, Lenora, because I was not.
If you could understood
I didn't get you. So
if you could understood, some other people will not be knowing it. So I was just teaching them. Yeah.
Should we keep the blocks 4 times? 4 blocks.
Yeah, 4 blocks because you have 4 buttons here, no? And just change the ID on event to your subtraction, division and multiplication according to the order. Okay, you guys done till here?
yes, it's done.
Wait, Lenora, actually network issues. App Lab is not working. It takes some time.
Yeah, sure. Till then, others who have completed, just explore something in which this complete 3 blocks, which is set text till here, from this till here, something is wrong. Try to just solve it. Later, I'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to explore it. Okay, Lenora.
Yeah. Till our another ambassador, Charita, gets sorted out with the app lab.
Sure. So, Lenora, I have got the fault. Can I just tell you or should I wait?
You wait, I will just raise the question like, what can I do it? How can what is
sure.
wrong in this? Okay? You guys can just start with the word excuse me and tell your answer.
Sure.
We should change the operators, I think.
Saurabhi, sorry to tell, but I didn't raise my question yet.
No, it was not me.
It was Ayur actually.
Me.
Oh, sorry. Ayur, I still didn't raise the question. Otherwise, I'll start giving in the poll and you guys do answer it. Yeah?
Okay.
It would be much interesting.
Yeah.
Give me just 2 minutes so that I can start polling.
Sure.
Lenora, I believe there is already a poll is turned on.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
For what ABC? Can I know?
No. It was the wrong one. Sorry.
Okay. Lenora, I didn't get you. So in all these, what should
Yeah,
we
so for the second block, what should you choose in maths?
second block?
Yeah.
I know.
Sarita, you done?
Yeah, I'm done, and even I said the poll answer.
Yeah. So you guys are right. Don't just delete this complete thing. You can just add this get text here. Get number, and only delete this. Go to maths.
You're not sharing the screen
Actually,
for
you're
your
not
information.
sharing the screen.
Oh, sorry, guys. Really very sorry. Yeah. Thank you, sir, for reminding. Okay, so you guys can just take that get text here and add it, but don't just leave it like that. Go to stick subtract, add here. Make sure that these are in the proper way, like this. Okay. You can do same to this as well.
Another easy way, you can take show text and erase plus and put minus.
Yeah, we can also do the same thing.
Lenora actually did a mistake.
Yes.
Yeah, I just thought of telling.
I know that. Actually, I was just holding this. Otherwise, in other way, you can go to show text, and here you can see something called plus. Just backspace and shift. Oh, sorry. Press slash show block.
When
Done. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have actually completed our code. If you guys want to add that background color or this speech, I will just continue because we have still 10 more minutes, right?
Yeah.
So make sure that you guys have completed till here and click on run and start. And give it 19. And
Just refresh the screen, Lenora.
yeah.
Refresh the screen, yeah.
Sir, I knew that, sir, because I just wanted people to know that if this is what happens to them, then they could do the same thing.
Cool.
You guys can just refresh if you don't get your answer. So, are you all getting these numbers after the code?
Yes.
Yes, Lenora.
Okay, so shall we jump into the changing color of the background and the speech?
Lenora, can you just wait for 2 minutes? I'm just refreshing my screen.
Yeah, sure. Once you're done, you just tell me done. I'll start.
Okay, I refreshed and I'm getting like answer.
Yeah, you're getting the answer. That's great.
So then after that, what should we do?
Vaishnavi, can we wait for others till they also complete? Then,
Oh, I
or
was
you guys,
having net issues, so I didn't hear that.
yeah, you guys can also explore for changing the color and for adding the speech.
Lenora?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I'm not able to view because I'm not able to view the answer. So can I just share my screen?
Yeah, sure. That would be great.
So, presenter. Yeah, I have got the option.
Saurabhi, can you mute yourself? It's disturbing.
Yeah, Saurabi, it's a bit disturbing. Okay, so just give me a second, Vaishnavi. Yeah. So just click on run.
Yeah, so I'm putting 12 and I'll put 14, okay? So I multiply, see what is coming.
What is it just giving out?
It's showing NAN.
NAN. Okay, like you're not getting the answer. Rather than just elaborating that phone screen, can you just make it short so that I can see the code?
Sure.
Okay, so at first. So, can you click on something like type your first answer?
Yeah.
Type your first answer. Okay, you have something first.
Yeah.
Second. And this one, the second block.
I
Below it.
Second.
This one. No. Above it,
Okay.
the text input.
Yeah, so in which I wrote words, I wrote it in Word, like I just mentioned in Word, and which we have to, like the input, I put it as number.
Okay. Can I go? Can I see the block which is your answer below it? Below it.
See, this is ANS and this is full answer.
Answer. Okay. Just give me a sec. Figure out. Did you actually refresh it?
Yeah, I refreshed it. I was telling you, right? I was refreshing. I'll refresh in front of you again. It's okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Start on C code.
Did you mean this itself, right?
Yeah.
Here also it's showing NAN.
Wait. Don't reset it. Click on plus or subtract or division.
The plus, it's same thing. And minus, it's the same thing. Multiplication also is showing that only, and division also.
Okay.
I think for your answer is label. There's something wrong for your answer is label.
Can you just scroll down, Stuti?
Stuti, did you check the ID?
Yeah.
What is the ID you're given for the text box? Wherever you're typing, right? What is the ID you're given?
Yeah, for the first one and second one.
No, not the label, not the
Text
label. Wherever
input.
you type, see you're given first. What is the ID you're given?
Number 1 and ST, that thing.
Yeah, so
exactly. See first and second.
Yeah. In change for all the same thing. And even for second, you give second.
Yeah.
Actually, we should not take the thing we wrote, the empty boxes ID we need to take.
Yeah, we should not take that.
I'm really sorry to waste your time because I didn't even recognize.
No, that's fine. Now click on run. Give some other number, right? Much bigger. Yeah.
Yeah, it's come.
Yeah. Click on all the buttons so it can come. Okay. Again. Next. Yeah, cool. It's working.
Yes, thank you.
Lenora, I completed even the background thing.
Yeah. It would be great if you could share your screen and show out the code.
Yeah,
Background as well as speech.
I completed the background thing. I'm doing the speech thing.
Yeah. If you want, you can just complete it. Yeah.
I'll complete it and I will share it in a minute.
Yeah. Sir, can you give me the option to just share the screen? I can show it to all of them. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Okay. So let's proceed to pay. You guys can see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see something called set property, right? To change the background color, drag and
Yeah.
drop to the each and every text.
Okay.
Or you can do this one text before only. I mean, the same thing what I'm gonna do. Later you can just copy and paste it. Yeah. So now
Okay.
you will give the ID as the screen, which I've given cal screen,
Yeah.
and this into background color. So add is kind of positive and subtract is kind of negative. So for add, I'm gonna give positive as, make sure it doesn't match.
I didn't get you, Lenora.
Yeah, I'm telling that add and multiply is kind of positive and subtract and division is kind of negative. So make sure that you give such a color that it would be opposite to the white text which I have given here. So I give it as green, which is positive, and for even multiply, I'll do the same thing. But for set property, the same screen should be, and even for background color. For subtract, you can give like, don't give brown because this and the background color could be equal. You can give something like orange or red.
So for all we have to put cal screen only, right?
Yeah, cal screen, because it should change the color of the screen. Or else you can, if you want to change the color of the text or this one or this, you can also give the same thing. But I prefer the screen because it can show the negative or positive. I'll give it ORANG. So did you guys complete till here? Make sure we'll complete it soon. We have only 1 minute for our session to just complete.
Yeah, I have completed it.
Yes, I have completed it.
And
So
I think for play sound, we need to choose the play speech thing.
what? Yeah, you're good. I mean, you're correct. So drag and drop all play speech. You can even use play sound like in before Charita, sorry, Ayur Prabhu
Ayur.
just gave uh, sound and Charita just added something wrong incorrect. So you guys also can give this. But this is a bit change, right? So you're gonna go to the math block, drag and drop this plus one to all of them. To all, that's something in place of hello world. Okay. Now for this you have to add the semicolon and YOU.
Lenora, can you wait, please? Because it's taking time.
Yeah, sure. Just type the same thing as your semicolon, your answer is colon close. And same to all the other first block. You can just copy and paste it.
You need to keep semicolon your answer.
Yeah,
One.
it's most important, otherwise it doesn't work.
What we need to keep your answer, then semicolon or
No, first semicolon, then at last semicolon.
In between
Like
the
this.
text, I'm asking your answer.
Your answer is, that's all. And just cool. Make sure that you are seeing my screen. So did you guys complete till here?
Lenora, can you just wait for some?
Yeah, sure. Oh.
Actually, Lenora, for
Yeah.
you kept before the thing, you kept your answer is on the screen for the label, no? For the label.
Yeah.
Actually, I kept only your answer, so I should only type your answer.
Sorry, I couldn't catch that.
Now, see, you kept your for the label. You kept before the box the where answer is visible. For that, you kept your answer is and dots.
Yeah.
Full stops.
Yeah.
And for the speech aids, you kept your answer is. But for the thing that I used for the thing,
Charity, I'm really not able to catch your question. So let me just stop sharing the screen and you just share the screen. I want others also to on your videos, no?
wait 1 minute. I think Lenora, you can see it.
Yeah, I can see it.
So for this, I kept your answer is.
Yeah, just a minute. Actually, in the first block, you can see something. You have taken the variable like no dot answer. Can you just delete and just type it like the second block one? It would be a great mistake. Yeah, delete. And like the second one, it's set text. First one, just type it. Yeah. And in the play speech, you have something plus box semicolon. After that, write your answer is semicolon close, and continue that to all.
No,
Like,
actually, my doubt was nothing. I kept here your answer if you see here.
yeah,
You kept as your answer is and you type in the play speech thing your answer is. So I kept as your answer. So I should type as your answer or as usual your answer is.
your answer is, because it will be telling your answer, right?
Okay, your.
And no. You're doing a big, great mistake. Just delete it. Complete text. After the colon, you just start typing your answer is colon. No. I want 2 commas above it. Yeah. Your answer is? Answer is. And close. Close that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And make sure you don't leave any space here after is and the colon.
So here nothing, no?
No, we are going to proceed it. You just type that your answer is to the rest of yours. I think Stuti and Ayur Prabhu hasn't completed it. Yeah, so
No,
when you
Lenora.
guys have completed it, do tell me.
You completed it.
Lenora, I request you to see the public
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
chat.
Make sure you guys complete it soon because the time is getting up so fast. Completed?
Yes, Lenora, completed.
Okay, so let me share the screen with our last and final step of this session.
Okay.
Okay, so you have your block incomplete, right? The same thing, get number, go to URI control, click on, drag and drop get number here, and you're gonna give something this one, okay? Because whatever answer comes here, it will just spell out. So which is A and S. Make sure that you apply this to all the blocks.
Lenora, actually, I'm stuck with this.
Actually,
Sorry?
Lenora, a doubt. Your answer is get number. Which ID you're taking?
Get number, and you can see something in the set text. You have given something number dot answer. So that same thing you have to give. Stuti, what was your question actually?
Actually, like in the set property, that like when I do calculator screen, and then when I click on the width thing to change it into background color, it is not getting the drop down for me when I'm clicking on it. That's
You
why.
can just type it, right?
But then when I go to the color thing,
Can you just
right,
share?
the last block, then it is not getting the color.
Can you just share your screen?
Actually, we are out of time.
Yeah, that's why I'm making sure that you guys will do it soon. We have actually completed it. Do complete till this last step and start sharing your projects.
Yes.
If you
See,
get a chance.
now in the second one, okay, I'm stuck. I actually need to be with you, but I'm not able to reach you. So see here, set property cal screen I put. Like this is the screen, and then width here. When I'm clicking on the drop down, it's not taking it only.
Just
See?
start refreshing your page and do it once again. It may help you. Yeah. No?
See,
Okay, you can just simply type,
it's just
right?
getting the width.
Type it as the same thing in the above block.
Can you repeat, Lenora?
Can you type it as BACKGROUND -COLOR? Type it.
She's spelling whatever it is showing on the top, right? Type that.
Yeah, just continue typing it, then it would work. Later, you're gonna drag and drop the sets page. In maths, you're gonna take plus, then
See here.
hyphen.
Actually, Stuti, you're making a mistake. COLOR. COLOR. That's it.
Yeah, you have to change it into OR. That time you will get the
Yeah. And now I'll just stop sharing and I will be with you, okay? Because your
Because
time is.
in AppLab it is just COLOR.
Guys, sorry, but I've actually completed with my project. So you guys can start sharing your,
Yes.
your project in the link. Or if you guys want me also to share and do the code once again, it's also fine.
How about you just give a small walkthrough, Lenora? Just share the screen and show the one
I'm
last
just trying to.
Yeah. So I'll do the same thing. So yeah, later, so as usual, you're gonna take on event. You're gonna take 4, or you can do one thing. You can just do this one code and just copy paste it. So first on event, you're gonna give the ID as add because when you add this and this, you have to get the answer, right? So on the event add, when you click on this, it has to set the text into the answer, which is get number number 1 and get number 2. So which is this and this. If these two add, you will get your answer. So same thing we
Yes,
have done with
I have
yeah.
posted my project in the public chat, even with the sounds.
Yeah, I'll just check into it. I can see Ayush and Charitas. I would like others also to do it. If you guys have any like some question in the project, I'm just taking the recap so you guys can like get rid of your problems. So later you're gonna drag the set property from your UI control and set to your screen's ID, which is cal screen. I've kept it for my screen. Later for your background color to just change it. So add and multiply is kind of positive, and subtract and division is kind of negative. So I've given the colors according to it. I've given green to add and multiply, and subtract and division I've given orange. Okay, so now you guys wanted to hear the sound, right? So in the UI control, you can just drag and drop the play speech and go to the math block and drag and drop something plus kind. We have used in the addition, right? So that later you're gonna add some colon here. Next, your answer is, just close it. Later, same in the UI control, you can take get number with your ID as answer, because it should spell out your answer is, and it should tell the answer. And if you want, you can change the gender also. If you want male, you can take male, or you can also change even your language. You can keep like your mother tongue as well.
Lenora, I have done it like, yeah, I have done it like, it's telling your answer is this. It's like the number it's telling.
Yeah, that's great. Then you can just share of your project. Make sure that it works. Okay.
I think is it over?
Yeah, sir.
Lenora,
We have done
is
with
it-
your step.
Okay, just 1 minute. Let me just turn on my webcam. Yeah. Okay, that was really great, wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful in explaining the project. The way you just explained it was really great, Lenora,
Thank you,
and it
sir.
is amazing. So I believe today everyone have learned how to make a simple calculator, and in one thing which they learned, which is very new, is that concatenation. That is like adding the word and the number, right? Your number is and telling the result, right? Wow, it's good. So every week we will learn new things. I think next week, Ambassador, who is going to be the next week Ambassador?
Charita.
Charita, yeah. So next week, Charita
Well,
is going
next
to.
week there's even a special, sir.
What's special? What is that?
On the day that I'm going to be, there's a special, sir. I'll see it on that day.
Oh, okay. So you have two
Only I made
surprises.
a
One.
project related to it.
Okay. So we have two things.
Can
One is
I-
something special. What Charita is going to
Sir,
do.
I know
One-
what is special. Can I tell it?
Wait, don't don't party pooper. No. Okay, let her tell. It is he want to tell on Sunday, right? So let's make it as a surprise. Even I also want to wait till next Sunday. Okay, so two things. One is Charita is having some surprise. I don't know what it is. One, and second thing is she's going to teach something new on the next week. Okay, excuse me. So I hope everyone are excited for the upcoming week. So before ending, I would like to ask just two questions. I believe I'll just pick because we are running out of time. Okay. So first one is for the Lenora. Lenora, what did
Yes,
you feel?
sir.
How was your teaching experience? This is the first time you're teaching your friends, right?
Yes, sir. It was really exciting, and I was like really happy to see that our ambassadors were really excited to learn this new project along with the sound and the background change. And thank you guys. You have done a great job.
So how do you feel about your teaching? This is the first time you're teaching, right? Tell me about that.
Yes, sir. At first, I was really nervous, but while continuing, I was like feeling comfortable.
Uh-huh.
So I think I didn't teach you guys very well.
Okay, let's ask to your friends itself. How about we start with Charita? Okay, Charita. Yes, Charita.
Actually, sir, she didn't feel that she didn't teach properly and nicely, but we felt like she taught like as a teacher, sir, because she was clearing all our doubts. She was very patient. She was waiting. Like a teacher, she was like, raise your hands over complete. She was like sending polls. It was like as if we are in classroom, sir. So I really liked it.
Okay, wow, that's really great. See,
Make sure and continue by not being strict.
Okay, let's check with anyone else. Who would like to tell next? Can raise the hand. Ayur wanna tell? Okay, Ayur.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, Lenora did very well, sir. I did not know that we can even make a calculator using operators in AppLab. Nice to learn a new project in AppLab.
Okay, cool. Okay, guys, nice to have a wonderful session on this Sunday, and it is really amazing. Sunday morning, you guys woke up and ready to learn something new. That is really amazing. So, catch you guys on next week. So until then, bye everyone. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a wonderful Sunday. Happy Sunday. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Happy Sunday.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Sir, actually, I'm not able to take the link from the web, so I'll just send after a few minutes.
Yes, no
In
problem.
WhatsApp, sir.
Cool. Okay then. Bye, everyone. See you. Happy Sunday.
Bye.
Bye.